Benefits of sunlight. In ancient times, yogis and others used to heal all types of illness and bring radiant health with sunlight. Sunbathing and sun gazing were most common in those days. Today, people only think about the bad effects of sunlight. Moderate exposure to sunlight is very important for everyone, and it has many surprising health benefits that we don't know. Sun exposure between 7 am to 9 am is good for health as the UV rays will be lower at this time. The time may vary from region to region. Reduce depression. Sunlight boosts the serotonin, a body's natural happy hormone. That's the reason why we feel happier and energetic when the sun shines. Depression can be reduced by regular sun exposure. Boost immune system. Sunlight enhances the production of T cells, a type of white blood cells. WBCs kill the bacteria and viruses, fight against other toxic compounds in the body, and boost our immunity. Strengthen bones. Sunlight is the best natural and the main source of vitamin D. It is also known as sunshine vitamin. It stimulates the body to produce vitamin D, which strengthens bones and helps in calcium absorption. Cholesterol. The sunlight converts high cholesterol levels in the blood into steroid hormones and the sex hormones, which needed for reproduction. In the absence of sunlight, these will reverse substances convert to cholesterol. Blood pressure and heart health. The sunlight can lower the blood pressure. Even a single exposure will lower the high blood pressure and reduces hypertension and reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Diabetes. A new study found that by exposure to sunlight, we get adequate amount of vitamin D, which plays a vital role in the prevention of diabetes. Skin diseases. Sun exposure to the sun heals skin diseases like acne, psoriasis, eczema, and fungal infections. The controlled amount of sun exposure regularly is prescribed. Menstrual health. Sunlight is an essential in a woman's health and wellness, with a myriad of benefits like increasing fertility, balancing menstrual cycles. Early morning sunbath is good for health. Fertility. The melatonin hormone which suppresses fertility is reduced by sunlight. That's the reason most women conceive in summer. Sunlight boosts testosterone levels in men. Growth. Exposure to sunlight regularly increases the growth and height of children. Many studies show that sun exposure in the first few months affect the person's growth. Cancer. Too much sun exposure may cause skin cancer, but vitamin D in sunlight can reduce the risk of other types of cancer. A study found that sunlight reduces breast cancer, ovarian, prostate, pancreatic, and colon cancer.